7-minute guided meditation to start your day. Make sure that you are comfortable for these next few moments together. And close down your eyes. Bring your awareness to the here and now. Let go of any to-do lists, any frustrations, and remind yourself that you are exactly where you need to be. Say out loud or to yourself, I am exactly where I need to be. Bring your awareness to the rise and fall of your chest. As you breathe in, pay attention to your lung expansion. Imagine that there's a slight glow every time you inhale. And as you exhale, the glow dims. Take a few moments to center your awareness on that. Relax your jaw and relax your face. One, you are becoming more and more relaxed. 2, a feeling of calmness is permeating your entire body. And 3, you are in optimal headspace to set your intention for your day to come. Take a few brief moments to identify that intention. Right now, how would you like your day to unfold? How do you want to feel going throughout your day? Imagine every detail and visualize yourself going about your day with a positive mental attitude and feeling your best and most energized self. Very good. You may have noticed your mind wandering during that exercise, and that's okay. Let go of any judgment. Be free of any criticism. With practice and persistence, you will get better and better. Since you have now set your intention for the day, at the close of day, you'll have more awareness, more insight, better perspective on your life and your coming days. Most of us go through life on autopilot, merely responding to our environment rather than creating the day and the life that we desire. And it all starts with setting an intention, which you have done. Now, for a few moments, identify 3 things that you are grateful for in this current phase of your life. It can be anything, but stick with the first 3 things. Visualize their detail and ask yourself, what is it about this experience or this thing that fills my heart with gratitude? Wonderful. A grateful heart is an open heart. With an attitude of gratitude, you can be and do anything your heart desires. And with that, you will attract more of what you want into your life. Pay attention to your thoughts today and ask yourself, what am I thinking about periodically throughout your day? And if the thoughts are not serving you, change them, reframe them. Now go out and enjoy this beautiful day that you have created. And I will see you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.